In July 2025, Pakistan quietly received its first batch of Chinese Z10ME attack helicopters, ending years of speculation. Official images confirmed the arrival, marking a major leap in Pakistan's air combat capabilities. The Z10MEs replace aging AH-1F Cobras, which struggled against India's modern air defenses and Apache helicopters. This acquisition follows the brief Indo-Pakistani War of May 2025, which exposed Pakistan's need for advanced attack helicopters. The shift to Chinese hardware signals a strategic pivot away from Western suppliers as US-Pakistan defense ties have cooled. China's delivery of the Z10ME cements its role as Pakistan's primary defense partner, reshaping the region's military balance. The arrival of these helicopters sets the stage for a new high-tech rivalry in South Asia's contested skies. The message is clear: Pakistan is ready for a new era of aerial competition. Pakistan's attack helicopter fleet, built around the aging AH-1F Cobra, was increasingly obsolete as India upgraded to the advanced AH-64E Apache. The Cobras, despite upgrades, were outmatched in both technology and survivability. Pakistan initially sought the American AH-1Z Viper, a logical upgrade, and even secured US approval for 12 helicopters in 2015. But shifting geopolitics and a cooling US-Pakistan relationship stalled the deal. Turning to Turkey, Pakistan signed for the T-129 ATAC, but US export restrictions on engines killed that deal too. Each attempt to modernize was blocked by political obstacles, leaving Pakistan with no viable Western options. Frustrated and out of alternatives, Pakistan's search for a modern attack helicopter led it to China. The long road to modernization was about to take a decisive turn eastward. The Z10ME would soon fill the gap. The collapse of the AH-1Z Viper deal was rooted in shifting US priorities, as Washington increasingly favored India to counter China. US frustration with Pakistan's policies led to suspended military aid and blocked defense sales. Even the Turkish T-129 deal failed, as US export controls on critical engines gave Washington veto power. These setbacks made it clear: Pakistan could no longer rely on Western suppliers for advanced military hardware. The lesson was stark. Politics, not just technology, determines access to modern weapons. With Western doors closed, Pakistan's only realistic option was to turn to China, a partner outside the US defense ecosystem. China offered advanced systems without political strings, making it the obvious choice. The stage was set for a new era of Sino-Pakistani defense cooperation. The Z10ME would become the symbol of this shift. With Western options exhausted, Pakistan embraced China's Z10ME, the export variant of its most advanced attack helicopter. The Z10ME was designed to rival the Apache and Mi-28, offering modern capabilities without political restrictions. For Pakistan, it was a practical and reliable solution, free from the risk of sanctions or embargoes. The helicopter features a tandem-seat cockpit, advanced sensors, and a narrow fuselage for reduced radar visibility. Choosing the Z10ME also meant deeper integration with China's defense industry, ensuring future upgrades and support. This deal wasn't just about hardware, it was about cementing a long-term strategic alliance. The Z10ME's arrival marked a new chapter in Pakistan's military modernization. China's role as Pakistan's primary defense partner was now undeniable. The Z10ME is powered by upgraded twin turboshaft engines, delivering strong performance in Pakistan's challenging terrain. Its top speed and range allow effective operations along mountainous borders. The helicopter's main weapon is the HJ-10 anti-tank missile, comparable to the US Hellfire, with a capacity for up to 16 missiles. Additional armaments include a 23mm cannon, unguided rockets, and Ti-90 air-to-air missiles for self-defense. Survivability is enhanced by composite armor, infrared-suppressing exhausts, and a suite of defensive aids like missile warning and countermeasures. The Z10ME's advanced sensor turret provides thermal imaging, laser range-finding, and helmet-mounted targeting for rapid engagement. While lacking the Apache's mast-mounted radar, its integrated glass cockpit and modern avionics give crews superior situational awareness. The Z10ME is a versatile modern platform, Pakistan's most advanced attack helicopter to date. It's designed for both anti-armor and close air support missions in South Asia's demanding environment. The real test will come in combat. The Z10ME's arrival instantly invites comparison with India's AH-64E Apache Guardian. The Apache's longbow radar and combat record give it an edge, but the Z10ME's stealthier design and heavy missile load level the playing field. Pakistan's ability to field more Z10MEs at lower cost could offset India's technological advantage. After the 2025 ceasefire, India added 6 Apaches, while Pakistan deployed 40 Z10MEs, signaling a strategy of mass deployment. The contest is now about numbers, training, and doctrine, not just hardware. Both sides are racing to adapt tactics and maximize their helicopters' strengths. The Z10ME's performance in Pakistani hands will be closely watched by militaries worldwide. This rivalry is a test for China's ambitions as a global arms supplier. The skies of South Asia are entering a new era of high-stakes competition. The Z10ME's induction shifts the military balance in South Asia, narrowing India's once decisive edge. China's successful delivery cements its influence as Pakistan's top defense partner. The deal deepens Pakistan's dependence on Chinese technology and supply chains. Yet, the Z10ME remains untested in real combat, and its true effectiveness is still unknown. Pakistan's success will depend on training, maintenance, and new operational doctrines. The arms race is accelerating, with India likely to respond by upgrading its own capabilities. The Z10ME is more than hardware. It's a catalyst for regional change. Whether this new balance brings stability or greater risk remains to be seen. The next crisis will reveal if deterrence or danger prevail.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.